Hi, Suzanne here to tell you about Truth Treatment's Trifecta. This complete system is designed to hydrate, plump, and nourish the skin. The system includes the Hyaluronic Mineral Hydrator to visibly plump and add moisture to the skin with hyaluronic acid. Transdermal C Serum delivers premium fat-soluble vitamin C to nourish and soften the skin, help fade dark spots, and lighten and brighten skin. And lastly, the Biomimetic Mineral Mist, a potent mineral solution with anti-inflammatory, soothing, and softening effects that supports the efficacy and penetration into the skin surface. To use, you mix 2 pumps of the Hyaluronic Mineral Hydrator with 2 drops of the Transdermal C Serum and 2 pumps of the Mineral Mist, all into the palm of your hand. Then massage into freshly cleansed skin. Wait a few minutes before applying sunblock and makeup.